Greetings, cheap Chinese Hoover fans, and you know who you are. So on the left, I have my very first bagless machine, a 2013 Hoover Wind Tunnel 2 high-capacity PET. And on the right, a 2012 Hoover Tempo Wide Path, one of the few machines that I've ever actually purchased new, and now it sports a new belt. So how about we take a look at the brush roll speeds. Let's start with the bagless high capacity PET, and it goes without saying that it's going to get loud. Well, that one, the speed seemed to peak out pretty quickly. All right, so it doesn't take 2 minutes in order for that thing to warm up. Let's now move over to the Tempo Wide Path with the new belt. Gonna get loud. Well, a little bit of a difference there. So let's see if we can't sum this up. So in the left corner, the high capacity PET bagless machine is right around 6,400 RPM. And in the right corner, the bagged Tempo Wide Path is right around 5,400 RPM. So approximately 1,000 RPM difference. How about that? So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.